This property is a completely restored stone house situated at 3 minutes drive from the village of Roccascalegna. Roccascalegna is situated in a strategic position because it's a 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast and 30 minutes drive from the Maiella mountain. And it's also famous for the medieval castle of Roccascalegna that you have right there. Here you have a mountain view, the Maiella mountain. You are here in a quiet little neighborhood, not completely isolated because as you can see there are houses around, and that's the house that we are seeing today. This house is surrounded by 860 square meters of land. This is the main entrance, situated on the ground floor. As you can see here, they exposed the stone. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is brand new, with new appliances. And as you can see also, the windows are new. They are double glazed. And here we have the living room with beautiful exposed stone. A window. And now we go upstairs. We are now on the first floor. Immediately on the right we have the bathroom. With a large shower. Also plumbing and the electric system, they are all new. Here you have a new water boiler. Here is where you can plug your washing machine. And also, as you can see, the house avails of central heating system, gas central heating system. And here you have access to a small terrace. With a mountain view there. Castle view there. Down the corridor we find the master bedroom. with a window with a view of the surrounding hills. And also a small balcony. These two structures here, this one and this one, belong to the property. This one needs to be knocked down, of course, but you can build to create a little outside space, a patio or a garage to park your car if you want. And the land belonging to the property goes from the street there, behind this little house there, behind that structure that's collapsing, and around the house. And here we have another room that's now used as a storage room, but that can be converted into a small bedroom with a balcony. And we are back outside. So the property is completely restored, has a new plumbing system, new electricity system, new windows. Electricity and water are connected. Also, it's connected to the public sewerage system. And this is the border, the land border that goes until here, because this is a common drive. So the house really is ready to move in, and it's on the market for 55,000 euros.